Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Gmail in Windows 11 or 10 PC using Opera browser. For this, first open Opera browser and visit gmail.com and sign into your account, and then click on this one start button and search for Opera. Then right click on this one Opera browser entry. Select here open file location. Again right click on this one shortcut. Select open file location. Now you will see Opera application. Now press shift key on the keyboard and hold it, and then right click on this one application. Select here copy as path. Then right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Now paste the copied path in the location box. Put one space, then hyphen, then type URL. Now again put one space, and now copy the Gmail address from this one Opera browser and paste it to the location at the end, and click on this one next button. Name it Gmail, then click on this one finish button. This will create a Gmail icon on your desktop PC. Whenever you will double click on this one icon, it will automatically open Gmail in your Opera browser in a new tab on your Windows PC.